Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. If you are new guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for our content because today guys, we have another airdrop that we will be reviewing, and this one is called Harpy guys. The end of crypto theft starts here. So let's review for this airdrop. Let's go! So we are on the website guys for Harpy.io. The end of crypto theft starts here. The most advanced wallet security tool to protect your crypto from hacks and scams. Harpy monitors for risk, blocks detected threats, and recovers your stolen assets all in real time guys. Get started, it is free. Now, this one guys, we have checked it already on social value that Harpy.io was able to have a funding equivalent guys to 5 million USDT. The project has started since September 27 of 2022 guys, and they are partnered with OpenSea Ventures and Coinbase. Now on the social media guys, X or Twitter, they have more than 26k followers, so make sure to follow them and be updated in terms of updates, especially guys for the airdrop. Now, this is the dashboard, guys, for Harpy.io airdrop. Okay, we have here the security overview, basically security score 100%, and then you could get your referral link as well in here. Now, if you want to get started, guys, just copy the link on the description of this video, paste it into your web browser or your wallet web browser, guys, and then connect for your MetaMask. Now, once you copy, guys, our referral link, paste it into your web browser, just like web browser for your MetaMask, guys. This will be the next interface. Paste your email guys in here, or input your email and then click on continue.
Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
And then next guys, we have it in here. Connect your wallet, okay, to continue the step, okay. And then connect wallet guys. So you have your selection in here, MetaMask, Ronin, and so on. So for this one, we'll be using MetaMask, okay. We'll be directed into this one.
Oh, the grid is overloaded. But who and how?
Now once you're able to do that guys, you could also scan for your wallet to check for the security. Now, once you were able to do that, guys, you will have your point. Currently, we have 2,750 4-hour points for Harpy airdrop.
It's showtime!
Now, here's how you get more points, guys. Okay, refer a friend. That's 2,500 for your points. Scan for your wallet. You could do this daily, guys. And then link for your X or Twitter account. That's 1,500 points. And then use the Harpy 2FA guys, that's additional 200 points per transaction.
Hey everybody, I found one!
Now on the menu guys, on the left part, we have wallet 2FA authentication. You can click in here and then start trying the demo guys for this 2FA and then connect for your wallet. We have here advanced security, so you can check them all in here. You could switch into Ethereum to check it all here. Advanced security does not support Polygon yet, okay? So make sure you do that, and then approval revoking, that is in here, no data as of the moment, and then here for your rewards. So that's just how simple it is guys for you to participate in terms of Harpy airdrop. Now make sure guys to share our content, like and comment in terms of our video. Don't forget guys to subscribe. That's it from me guys. See ya.